guys, it's Kylie, and today I'm going to do this quick tutorial and show you how to do the dot border stitch. So I have a blanket here. This is my polka dot blanket, which I will link the pattern below in the description for those of y'all that are interested in this yarn and the pattern. This is the first time I have ever done this stitch, and I put it on this polka dot blanket, and I think it just goes perfect. And I just love how it works up in these cute little dots, or almost like little balls on the edge. So it's really simple, really easy. We'll jump right into it. Okay, so after you finish your blanket, you can go ahead and single crochet around all the edges of your blanket. So I have already single crocheted in my other color that I wanted. I evenly went around all the edges just in single crochet. So all the edges will have stitches across them, even on the sides. So it's very simple and easy. I'm going to start here in the middle going down, but even if you have just added on your color yarn you want the dots to be, it starts and goes the same way all the way around. So even if you're just starting or you're in the middle of doing them, it's going to work the same way. So once you have slip stitched your yarn, you're going to chain 3, and now you're going to work a double crochet 5 together, and we're going to go into this very first stitch right here, this very first chain of the chain 3. So we're going to yarn over, insert, yarn over, and pull through. I'm going to pull through 2 loops, and then we'll repeat that 4 more times. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2. There's 3 loops. So we'll do it 3 more times until we have 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2. There's 4. We'll do it twice more. There's 5. Once more. Yarn. And there's 6. Now you'll yarn over, pull through all 6. You need to push it out so it forms, it pretty much just goes all by itself, but if you have to, sometimes it might try to go backwards, and just push it to form the little dot. And then you're going to slip stitch, not in the same stitch, but in the one right next to the stitch you've been working in. You're going to slip stitch, and that is how you make a dot. So it's that easy, and you'll continue all the way down the blanket. For this particular pattern, I am slip stitching in 5 stitches in between the dots. You could do however far if you just wanted to do like 2 or 3 and put the dots closer together. But for this particular pattern, I liked them a little bit farther away with a little bit more space. So I'm slip stitching between 5 stitches between the dots. So there's 3, 4, and 5. And we'll just do the same thing again. We'll chain 3 and work a 5 double crochet. Double crochet 5 together in that very first chain. Through. 2. Just pull through 2 each time and they'll add up. And then there's number 5. Pull through 2. Always have 6 loops on your hook. Pull through all 3 and slip stitch. And so that's all there is to doing the dot stitch, and you can just continue that all the way around your blanket till you get back to the very beginning and slip stitch to where you began. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If I did, be sure to click subscribe and check out my blog for free crochet patterns and more tutorials.